Hello, I'm Ajit from USA Production and this is part 5 of Audacity tutorial series. In this video, we are going to learn everything about reverb settings. So first, I'm going to record the audio clip. Hello, this is Audacity test for reverb settings. And now I'm gonna play to check whether it has been recorded nicely or not. Hello, this is Audacity test for reverb settings. Okay, there is some noises, so first I'm gonna remove the noise. Hello, this is Audacity test for reverb settings. And now, fantastic. And now we are going to jump on the effect panel and reverb. Here we got a reverb effect panel. So the first thing is room size. Room size means if you will increase the room size, it will increase the echo effect. Second one is the pre-delay. Pre-delay means your first, for example, you said hello in the microphone and it will make the pre-delay of the hello. So what is the value you want of pre-delaying? For example, if you want your pre-delay 200%, then it will make some space from your first hello up to last hello. So here 200% means first you said hello and then it will take some time and it will make some space and then again it will say hello. So the effect will be like hello, 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 like this way. And the reverberance, how many times you want to say, how many times you want to fill the space between first and the last hello. So this is called reverberance. The higher number of the reverberance means it will fill the all spaces and it will look like hello, 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 this way. And the fourth one is dumping. It add some dynamic ranges in your audio. So always keep this the percentage of dumping 100%. And tone low. Something is going on in the background and you want to hear that nicely, then you can increase your low tone percentage. The high tone. So high tone is very straightforward. What your microphone can hear first, that is called high tone. And always remember this gonna be always 100%. The bat gain. Again, we want to learn about the bat and dry. Bat means the percentage, all the percentage value of what is going in the background, including the room size, pre-delay, reverberance, dumping, low tone, high tone. This is all things together is called bat. So bat means what is going on the background. It is all included in the bat. For example, I'm gonna click on the bat only and now we'll check to play this video. Hello, this is Audacity test for reverb settings. So this is our background. It is included the room size, pre-delay, reverberance. So indirectly we can say the echo effect only we can hear. So this is called bat. What is the dry? Dry gain means your original voice. This should be included with your audio clip because you want to make bat and dry together and then you want to listen your audio. This will make effect nicely. So now if you will click on preview, then it will look something like this way. Hello, this is Audacity test for reverb settings. As you can see, the first is your original voice and then last one is bat audio. So first one is your original and then the echo effect. This is called bat and dry effect together. So this is just dry and the whole thing you can call like a bat. And the last one is stereo width. Stereo width means the length of left and right ear or left and right speaker. So the higher percentage of stereo width means you can listen or you can make more separation between left and right. And when you will make it 0, it will look like it's something going on in the center. And if you have 5.1 or 7.1 surround sound speakers at your home, then I recommend that it must be all the way 100% because it gives nice effect on your audio because it separates your audio between left and right. So now finally I'm gonna click on OK to apply this effect on our audio clip. And now finally I'm gonna check
Hello, this is Audacity test for reverb settings.
Okay, at last I want to say only one thing. What is the perfect values for your particular audio clip that you need to find out by yourself? And finally, thank you so much for watching this.